All right, guys, wanted to show you one of my favorite ways to trade, and honestly, one of the easiest ways to trade, right? Because I often post 5-minute scalping, even less than that, 1 minute, 3-minute scalping trading strategies. But if I'm being 100% honest, I don't really trade on that low of a time frame all that often. A majority of my gains come from a higher time frame, such as the 4-hour and above time frame. And I'll show you the screenshot on the screen here of a over 100% trade that I took last night. I'm only using 10x leverage. Now this trade was actually posted in the crypto VIP. So if you like to follow our trades, also got some big stuff coming with the crypto VIP, then be sure to hit the first link in the description below. But you can do this as well, right? You don't have to join crypto VIP to find setups like this. And when you're using an indicator like Easy Algo to confirm your technical analysis, it honestly just becomes fun at that point, right? Like you're waiting for a setup and then you're watching for the confirmations on Easy Algo. And once you get them, you enter the trade. So this video is mostly going to be on price action, right, in the technical side of things. However, if you'd like Easy Algo for yourself, be sure to click the first link in the description below. This is the only TradingView indicator that I use at the moment, and I use it to confirm my technical analysis, right? And it does a great job at showing these horizontal support and resistance levels, as well as some other confirmations that can help you to enter the trade, right? But we're going to turn this off for now because I want to show you guys exactly where I entered and kind of my thought process. Like I said, it was a setup in the crypto VIP, but this is still a setup that I was looking at myself, right? So we're going to go to Japanese candles for a second, and you'll notice that I'm on the 4-hour time frame, right? The reason I like the 4-hour time frame is that it's a lot less stress, right? If you're trading on a lower time frame, it can be pretty stressful, and also you need more knowledge in price action. But if you're on a higher time frame, you can get away with just trading based off the Easy Algo buy and sell signals or support and resistance levels and be extremely profitable. So if you're a beginner trader, I always recommend going on a higher time frame, such as the 4-hour. But this was a setup that I was looking at. Right, I was looking at a couple of things. The first thing I was looking at was a swing failure of this candlestick high. So we have this kind of odd candlestick high over here, and I was looking for price to come above this level at 5.99 and retrace below, and I'd enter a market order on the retrace below that candlestick high. But obviously we didn't get there. So another area I was looking at was this general zone, right? This general resistance zone, and you can see that this candle wick actually touched that zone and perfectly rejected off of it. But this was a resistance zone that I was looking at, right? We'd rejected once, twice over here, and we rejected once over there. You could honestly bring it down to even somewhere around right here where this candlestick was. And I also saw, if you turn on Easy Algo on SR1, I'll go back to replay mode. Let me turn the sensitivity on Easy Algo. I like to use 0.9 when I'm on the standard Japanese candles, right? You'll be able to see that there was also a resistance level right here at the zone that we had drawn out. So now I have confluence with my own TA, as well as the indicator that this is an area that I'm going to be looking to short, right? And you can see price comes perfectly up to that resistance level. Now you honestly could have caught a swing failure of this Easy Algo level if you wanted to, but I was waiting for a little bit more confirmation. So what I did from that point was go down to the 1-hour time frame. On the 1-hour time frame, you'll be able to see, right, we had that doji candle, right? We had that doji candle, which is a reversal candle. So you could have entered a short based on that candlestick pattern, but I was still waiting for a little bit more confirmation. And I think I had my SR2 on set to the 4-hour. My SR1 was off. So I'm waiting. And then I saw this, right? I saw this mild sell signal on Easy Algo. And that's when I jumped in the trade. So on the confirmation, it might have been the closure of this candle. It was around here, I think, where I entered that short position, right? So somewhere around here, I entered the trade with my stop loss, above previous swing high. So 2.65% stop loss, and I was really targeting the 5.35 area for my first take profit. So just over a 2 risk to reward. And that trade played out perfectly, right? We did get that sell signal, hit that first take profit, and I'm actually still in the trade right now. Like I said, up over 100%. I think price is somewhere around 5, somewhere around right here right now. And I think you can see that price continue to dump throughout the night. And here we are, right? So beautiful, beautiful trade. But this is how I trade 99% of the time. So when I'm posting my gains, you see these 100% gains. You're like, how does he do that? Most of the time I'm on a higher time frame. Like I'm on a 4-hour time frame. Usually when I'm charting anything, I'll start charting it on the 4-hour time frame and work my way down. So I might enter on the 1 hour or the 15-minute, but I'm using zones from a 4-hour time frame. And this can work just as well on a higher time frame, like a daily or 2-day time frame even, right? But I just want to show you guys, really how simple it can be. And if you were entering on the 4-hour, you could have entered based on that mild sell signal on easy algo. You'd still be up around 10%. With no leverage, right? In a matter of a day. So pretty simple stuff, especially when you're using easy algo as confluence with those zones. But I always recommend you to draw out manual zones yourself, right? So I like to have these levels on easy algo, kind of verify my own TA, right? Because when you're using algorithmic inputs, it takes away all the guesswork, right? It's not subjective at all. Sometimes your own zones can be subjective, but when you have an algorithmic based input, it kind of takes that away from your own zone. So it's based on a set of inputs, which I like. And I believe that's crucial to have if you're a trader, whether that's an indicator or not, but having, a set base of rules to follow when you're drawing your zones or entering a trade. But this is how I enter trades most of the time. I hope you guys found value from this and learn, exactly what goes through my head when I'm entering a trade like this. So you can do the same thing for yourself, right? Really not rocket science, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel for more trading content. Like I said, I've got a ton of stuff on the way for pretty much every tier inside the Discord. So whether you just have the Pro Pass with the Easy Algo, Crypto VIP, the Forex VIP with the copy trading, guys, we have so much stuff coming that's in the pipeline, and you guys are really going to be blown away. So stay tuned, guys, and I'll see you guys next video.